This video is for the 7th grade research project assignment 6 links. First, you're going to go to weebly.com and then you're going to click login in the top right corner. Click on G+ login. And from here, what you're going to do is you're going to just click the X that appears and click on Edit Site. Next, what you're going to do is you're going to change the contact page. So what you're going to do is you're going to click on Pages at the top, and then click on Contact. And then under page name, you're going to type How to Help. And then you'll click on Build. So we've typed How to Help, and then click on Build. Next, what you're going to do is you're going to click and drag a title box to go onto the white space of the web page, and then you're going to type in How to Help. Next, what you're going to do is you're going to add a text box. So click and drag a text box to appear underneath How to Help. And from that point, you're going to type a sentence that tells about your links. So you can say something like, here are some links to shelters needing donations. And depending on your topic, it's going to be a little bit different. But anyway, you want to have a sentence that tells basically what your links are to. So in this case, we're going to be able to help by donating to animal shelters. I'm just going to hit enter a couple times. Next, I'm going to open up a new tab. From here, I'm going to do a search. So for example, I'm going to search for animal shelters near me. And then I'm going to find the website for an animal shelter. So make sure that it's an actual animal shelter around you. So for example, right here, Quincy Animal Shelter, we can click on website, or if you see links underneath, you can go ahead and do that too. And what you want to do is you want to try to find a link that's specific to what you want to do, whether it be donate or just about about the topic. But anyway, what you'll do is you will click up at the top to highlight the URL, hold Control and C on your keyboard. Then you'll click back over to Weebly. You'll click on the bulleted list button, and then you'll type in the name of whatever it is that you're linking to. So for example, I'm typing Quincy Animal Shelter. And then what you're going to do is you're going to turn it into a link by just clicking and dragging to highlight it. And then you click on the Create Link button, which looks like a chain. You'll check Open Link in New Window, and then you'll go ahead and click under Website URL and do Control V on your keyboard to paste. Click on Save. And then what you want to do is go ahead and hit Enter. And you're going to do the same thing, but with two other links that have to do with your topic. So for example, we'll do the Standish Humane Society. So I'll just go ahead, click up at the URL, Control C, click back over to Weebly, then type in, I'll just have to hit Enter again. And then it was Standish Animal Society. You'll go ahead and do the same thing we did before, and you'll go ahead and put in a link. So what you have to do is just highlight, link button, open link in new window, click under website URL, Control V, click Save. And you'll end up doing that until you have 3 different links. So for example, sometimes you might not have it look like what I saw, but I can go over here, Mansfield Animal Shelter. Same thing, click, Control C, Weebly, click after, the last one, hit enter, and then type in what it is, highlight, and you'll go ahead and link. Open a new window, paste, save. Now we've got our 3 links. The last thing that you're going to do is add a contact page. So you're going to click on Pages, click on the plus sign, click on Standard Page, and you're going to type in the word contact. And then click on Save. And from here, what you're going to do is you're going to put in information about your own contact. So your website, you know, basically your email address, your name. And this is just going to take a second for me to type it all in. So what you're going to do is, here's your contact page. You're going to click on Build up at the top to get your title and text boxes back. You're going to click and drag a title box, click and drag a text box to go under the title box. And for the title, you're going to just type in contact. And then what you're going to do in the smaller text box is you're going to include information about how to get in contact with you. And it should include your name, grade 7 students, Hanover Middle School, the address of Hanover Middle School, and your email addresses. Now, the last thing that you're going to do is you're just going to go back over in order to copy the citation that you have under your picture. So go over to, like, for example, click on your facts page, and then you'll highlight your citation, do Control-C on your keyboard, and then go back over to your contact page, so that way you can add your citation, which you do that by clicking on your contact page, and then click and drag the text box to appear above the contact, and then where it says click here to edit, you'll click, do Control-V on your keyboard, and it'll paste your citation. And that's it.